Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. Without wasting your precious time, let's get to know more about corporate culture. Yes, of course, if you want to know more about what is corporate, this is the best ever video that you will ever find in anywhere. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you about the most important word, most important terminology that the corporate world use. And if you don't understand what they use, watch this video till the end and you will get to know everything, whatever you need the most. So let's go step by step. Here, first of all, deadline. A deadline is the last date or time by which you must finish your work. I am telling you step by step a word and their meaning, okay? So that you could understand the better ways of information in corporate world, because you will definitely will be familiar with these terms, okay? Your manager can use, your TL can use, your HR can use. So if you want to understand what they are saying, watch this video. Another one is task assignment, which means a task is a small piece of work you need to do. Okay. An assignment is a set of tasks or bigger responsibilities given to you, okay, on a certain time, usually by a manager, TL, teacher, or company. Escalation. Most of the people have the escalation by doing the work. So escalation means moving a problem or issue to a higher authority when it cannot be resolved or solved at the current level. Milestone. A milestone is an important point or stage in a project or work that shows progress has been made. Draft. A draft is the first or early version of a document, email, report, or plan that is not final yet. Okay. It is usually prepared for review, feedback, and correction before the final version is made. Roadmap. Roadmap is a step by step plan that shows how a project, product, or goal will be completed over a time. It highlights what will be done, when it will be done, and in what order. Okay. Bottleneck. A bottleneck is a problem or blockage, okay, that slows down work or a project. Okay. So if somebody is using, oh, there is a bottleneck in your project, there's a bottleneck in your life. So it means it usually happens when one step in a process takes too much time, causing delay for everything else. Workflow. A workflow is the step by step work, or means the way you work. Okay. The work is done to complete a task or project. It shows what, who does what, in what order, and how the work moves from start to finish. Onboarding induction, which means onboarding is the process of welcoming and helping a new employee adjust to the company. Means it is going to tell you everything, terms and condition of the company. It includes giving them the tools, training, information they need to start their job smoothly. Induction is usually the first part of the onboarding. Okay. Induction means the introduction of the company. Okay. The new session for new employees. It covers the employees, means the company's rules, regulations, policy, culture, and the basic information. Handoff. A handoff means transferring work, responsibility, or information from one person to team to another. It happens when one person finishes their part of the job, okay, and passes it to the next person to the continue. Timeline. A timeline is a schedule that shows when tasks or parts of a project will start and finish. It helps track the sequence of work and ensure everything is done on time. Okay. Stakeholders. Stakeholders are the people, are the human being or group who are affected by project, decision, or company activity, or have an interest in it. Most of the time we have listened what is follow up. So let's discuss. A follow up means checking back on something after it has been discussed or started to make sure it is moving forward or completed. Okay. Follow up means to follow the person, to follow the content again and again so that it could be completed within a specific duration. Ping. In office's language, ping means to send a quick message, reminder, or nudge to someone, usually by mail, chat, or phone. So it is ping. It is an informal way to say contact or remind. Syn catch up. Syn, short for synchronize, means to align or update with someone so that everyone has the same understanding about work or a project. Catch up means a short informal meeting or conversation to discuss update, progress, or pending topics. Alignment. Alignment means everyone has the same understanding, goal, or direction while working on something. It ensures that all teams or people are moving together without confusion. Okay, without confusion. Wrap up means to close up the things. Wrap up means to finish or close something like a meeting, task, message, okay, like the work project. It is often used at the end of the discussion or work. Okay, briefing or debriefing. A briefing is a short meeting or an explanation given before starting work, a task, or an event. Okay, it tells people what they need to do and what they need to know or to do. A debriefing is a discussion or review after the work, task, or event is finished. It helps understand what went well, what didn't, and what can be improved in next sessions. Key performance indicator. A key performance indicator is a number or measure tool that shows how well a person, team, or company is doing their work. It helps track progress towards goal. ROI, return on investment. In offices, return on investment means checking if the money, time, or effort is spent on something gives back enough benefit or value not. It helps managers decide if a project, training, or activity is worth it or not. Benchmark. A benchmark is a standard or reference point used to compare performance, quality, or results. It helps companies know if they are doing better, worse, or the same as expected. Productivity. Productivity is a tool, or you can say it means how much useful work is done, is given by you, okay, is done in given time with the resources available like the time, people, money, or tools. Higher productivity means more output with the same or fewer resources. Forecasting. Forecasting means predicting future result based on current data and past trends. Companies used it to plan ahead for sales, revenue, budgets, hiring, or projects. Appraisal. Most of the people got the appraisal in their company. Appraisal means an appraisal is an opportunity or review of an employee's work and performance by their manager, usually done once or twice a year. Okay, it often decides salary increase, promotion, or training needs. CRM, Customer Relationship Management. CRM means a system, a software used by companies to manage their relationship with customers. It helps track customer details, interactions, sales, and support so the company can serve them better. Talent acquisition. Talent acquisition means the process of finding attractive and hiring the right people for jobs in a company. It is more strategic than just recruitment. It focuses on long term hiring needs and building strong teams. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is a software system that helps a company manage all its main activities in one place, like finance, HR, sales, inventory, supply chain, and operations. It makes work easier by connecting all departments together. ERP. So most of the company use only ERP. Workforce. Workforce means all the people who work in a company or organization. It can also mean employees in a specific department, team, or even the whole industry. Bug fix patch. What is this? A bug is a mistake or problem in software that makes it not work properly. A fix is the solution applied to remove the bug or problem. A patch is a small update or software, okay? Update to software that fixes bugs or improves security. It is like applying a quick repair without changing the whole system. Retention. Retention means how well a company can keep its employees or customers for a long time instead of losing them. Okay. Now, cost cutting. Cost cutting means reducing companies' expenses to save money. It usually happens when a company wants to increase profit or is facing financial pressure from somewhere else. Monetization. Monetization means finding ways to make money from a product, service, or resources. It is how companies turn what they have, like app, website, services, YouTube, into income. Okay. Valuation. Valuation means out finding out how much a company, product, or asset is worth in a money terms. It is often used when companies are raising funds, merging, or being sold. Synergy. Synergy means when two or more people, teams, or companies work together. The combined result is better than if they work separately. Okay. Leverage. In corporate office, leverage means using something you already have, resources like skills, contract, money, tools, data, etc., to get a bigger or better result. Disruption. What means disruption? Disruption means a big changes that shake up the normal way of doing business, often caused by a new technology, new ideas, or unexpected events. Okay. So this is the video that is going to help you to remind every single word that you really need the most to speak out in in the industry of corporate world. Yes. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the way I talk, you can subscribe our channel. And if you have any suggestion, you can give the suggestion as well as. Take care and bye.